Let's start with the definition. According to Merriam-Webster, broth is a liquid. Broth is a thin liquid, but it adds rich flavor to your dish. Some examples of how using broth can improve a dish, whether it is rice or potatoes. Instead of preparing them with water, use broth because it will add instant flavor to those dishes. Moreover, because of the rich flavor of broth that comes from meat, vegetables, and herbs, you can drink broth plain. Broth has traditionally been made using animal bones which are boiled in a cooking pot to extract the flavor and nutrients. The bones may or may not have meat still on them. If you would like to add a darker color and caramelized flavor to your broth, use roasted bones. Broth is made from meat that has been simmering in water for a period of time. To enhance the flavor of the broth, you can use a wide variety of other ingredients during the simmer, such as veggies and herbs. Now please allow me to take a moment to ask another question: what is simmering? Let's refer to Jessica Gavin's words to best answer this question. Simmering is a way to cook food gently and slowly. It's gentler than boiling but a little more aggressive than poaching. Simmering refers to cooking food in liquid, or even just cooking the liquid itself, at a temperature just below the boiling point. Simmering times can vary from 30 minutes to 2 hours, and this is the shortest cooking time compared to other ingredients that require this method of cooking. In future episodes, we'll explore the process of cooking broth, so please hit the subscribe button if you're interested in being notified when that video is released. Being that this is my first episode of the channel, I want to communicate with you, the viewer, that at the end of each and every episode, I will share an anecdote about the topic we're exploring. I do this because, as a history junkie, I enjoy stories that provide a different perspective or add further context to the topic that is being examined. So if you're interested in more than cooking with broth, how about adding it to your favorite cocktail? That's right, in the mid-20th century, the bullshot was a popular cocktail that included broth as an ingredient. The essence of the story is, an AD man, John Hurley, was talking to the owner of Caucus Club in Detroit. Since Hurley had Campbell's as a client, he needed to market their canned broth. The two talked and the broth-based cocktail was born. To get the recipe and read more about this fantastic broth-based story, please use the link to Esquire below. Thank you for tuning in, and if you've enjoyed this episode of What Is, don't forget to hit the like button.